What is good, YouTube? It is I, Ishville, and today I'm bringing you a very special unboxing episode for Christmas. Alright, my uncle gave me these games that he bought. Alright, it's chib-robo, Lash. I had the game right here. It had the amiibo. It's rated E for everyone by cartoon violence. Alright, let's open it up. And that you can see right there, that's my Xbox One stick. And you're probably wondering what's with the glove. I just like to wear my glove. Alright, and here's the game. And we're gonna be popping it right in my 3DS and 2DS right here. I get a little behind the scenes action. And there's the title screen. It also came with this and the amiibo of it. Alright, I get to open the amiibo. Couldn't get the box for me. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Alright, we got the amiibo and it's a copy of the game just in case you lose one or you want to give one away. Alright, we're gonna be unboxing the amiibo right quick. Sorry I didn't do this earlier, guys. I wanted to bring you a Pokemon video, but I couldn't do it. My little cousin, my niece left up my cards. And you're probably all wondering where I'm filming from. This is the living room. Alright, here's the amiibo. Let's get it out of here. Little prison. There we go. As you can see, Nintendo put a lot of work into this amiibo. Yeah, this is what's under the amiibo, and don't throw it. It does not belong in trash. And don't let anyone under the age of 6 or something get a hold to it. Because it can be a choking hazard, guys. Alright, guys. We're doing load up the game right quick. I'm playing the game on my lap since I can't get on the table. It's like DJing earlier with my grandparents. As you guys can see, it's the living room TV and that's my Xbox One. I was watching Ethan Goes Boom. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Up in here, guys. Alright guys, how you doing with time? Okay, that's 4. Alright, let's look at a bit of time. Alright guys, if I get a chance, I might be doing playthrough Lash walkthrough of this game. You see they got 3 save files, save file 1, save file 2, and save file 3. And you're probably wondering what my profile pic like Sans. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Undertale, and Sans is one of my favorites. I also like Sonic the Hedgehog, Pokemon. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing Pokemon. As you can see by my Sonic wallpaper. I was gonna see other games here, just so you guys know. I have Animal Crossing New Leaf. I managed to find it. There in the game. And you can see some little siblings. And you play this below. Just doing a playthrough of this too. And this is your kind of watch. I kind of lost the game. I'm using it as a case for my Fire Emblem Fates Birthright. I can't get conquest yet. I might be doing a playthrough of this sometime in the future. Now this video hits about 10 likes. I may do a video where you guys can actually see my face. So yeah. Do me a favor and subscribe. It really helps us out here. And let me know what you guys think of the channel so far. Sorry about that, guys. It's doing kind of looks like good for my games. Alright. Let me know what you guys think of the channel so far, and I'll get back to you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.